To create a strobe or flicker effect like that, you can follow the steps I made. If your video clip has already been inserted into the project, duplicate the clip by holding down the Alt key while dragging the clip up. After that, in the Effects panel, look for Strobe Light. Add the effect to the top video clip. Go to the Effect Control panel to make settings for the Strobe Light effect. Change the Strobe Duration value. In this tutorial, I will change it to 0.05 seconds. For Strobe Period, I changed it to 0.10 seconds. If you want to lower the intensity of the strobe color, you can adjust it through Blend with Original. Here I will change it to 10%. In this setting, you can also change the strobe color. But here I will let it be white. To add a visible RGB effect, then add the VR Chromatic Aberrations effect. If you are having trouble adding this effect, you can watch the tutorial I have created to solve the problem. Before making this tutorial, I have created some markers at a certain duration in this project. I just need to cut the video clip based on the markers I have created. On the shorter clip, I changed the strobe period value to 0.08 seconds. And the result will be like this.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.